Hello, welcome back to the best art channel in the world. Sabrina Carpenter is my victim for today's drawing session. You probably figured it out from the title that it's gonna be bad. I was honestly hoping it didn't turn out to look like a fish. Now I'm gonna work on the face. I really struggle here. Unlike many artists, I haven't studied anatomy and I just eyeball the proportions. Going to the sketching part, I was already done by now, TBH. Camera focus, damn it! Why does she look worried? I was burnt out by now, so I ended it here. Don't blame me. This ain't Sabrina Carpenter. This is. She did turn out to look like a fish. Anyways, thanks for watching, cookies. Even though I wasted 3 minutes of your life.